Not friend material, let alone more than friend material. I will ignore you, stomp on your heart, and always put my needs and interests first.
Hey, you can keep trying to push me away. It's not gonna work.
I almost killed you.
I survived.
Beginner's luck.
I'm tougher than you think.
You're making a mistake.
Probably.
Definitely.
You sensed the monster in me. You fell in love with it.
They're two black-hearted souls ready to pillage the world together.
What if I lied about my feelings? You were right. I was attracted to you.
There's Wednesday.
Kill me.
You do know there's only one way we can truly be together.
Fuck.